Right up here is where you load the wire. Okay, here's our work holder. This is a vacuum hold down type, so we had a switch was put in here to turn the vacuum on and off. And if you notice, there's a green line coming in through the back. That's your vacuum line. And I have it hooked up to a diaphragm pump underneath here. You see the pump down here, the little pump. And I'll shut the vacuum off here now, and you can see that there's a small vacuum port right here in the center. This is your vacuum line coming in. This is your power connection for your work holder, and we're set at 150C. I have a coupon here that I was bonding on. I'll place that back on there. Turn the vacuum on. We have an on-off switch for your light, which is also capable of being dimmed with the dimmer switch over here. I'm just going to shut that off for now. We also have a target target spotlight illuminator here. Can't really see it now, but what I'll do is I'll turn this coupon upside down, and you're going to notice there's be hard to see, but there's a little green circle here, and that's showing you where you're going to be making your bond once it's aligned correctly. I have it aligned right now. So when looking through the microscope, you're looking at a target spotlight right here, indicating where the bond is going to be formed. Flip this over. Turn the vacuum on. Turn the light on. And I just want to explain too, here is your wire. It's a 2-inch spool of gold wire, 1 mil. It's a little hard to see, that thin wire. But it comes off the spool and through this feed tube here, down through the tube, underneath this tensioner, there's a little glass slide. So it's underneath the glass slide. Down through this eyelet here. If you follow it down, it goes through the clamps on the drag clamp on this side, through your clamps and down through your capillary. This is explained in the manual. If you have any questions on how to load the wire, you can find that in the manual. Okay, this is your chessman. It's used to manipulate the XY motion. You also have a button here. That's your bond button, and when in automatic mode, semi-automatic mode, what you do is you press and hold the chessman button. You're now at search number 1. Position your device. Release, and it'll make bond 1. Now you're at loop setting. Reposition for bond 2. Press and hold the chessman bond button to reposition necessary and make bond 2. So again, it's press hold, search 1, position, bond 1, you're at loop now, move to position 2, now you're at search 2, bond 2, and then a ball is formed by the EFO wand here. To make an adjustment for your EFO ball size, you have this knob up here. I have it set at 4 right now. Just move the work holder out of the way a little bit. Here's your loop adjustment. And then the top row of adjustments are used for bond 1, and your lower row is for bond 2. So you have a search, force, time, and power adjustment. This is 1, and this is for 2. Over here is your manual if you want to do manual movement of the Z bonding. You use this lever here. Bring the work underneath. And then just by using your Z lever, move your testament this way, position, pick a bond, loop, bond 2. And over here you have a reset button, your clamps to open and close your clamps, clamp switch here. You have a test button that will test your ultrasonics. And to see that it's working properly, you'll have a red US light here when you press down on the test button. And it allows for a motor on off switch. And that's for the Z drive motor. There'll be no motion available with that switch off in a Z direction. See, as I press the button, either mode, there's no movement. What we want to do is make sure that switch is on. Go ahead and do a few more bonds.